At Remer, we proudly specialise in designing and manufacturing premium illuminated smart mirrors since 2017. Our mirror technology is truly superior and enhances the design and functionality of any space. We don't just sell mirrors, we provide solutions. Everything here at Remer is controlled by you. If you come to us with an idea, we are sure to provide you with a solution. We are one of the first brands to focus on mirrors specifically designed for the Australian market, enhancing the look and feel of mirrors with quality lighting. Remer products are designed and assembled locally at our warehouse in Melbourne. Our team have the capability to personalise your mirror right here at our warehouse before it arrives on your doorstep. Our mirrors cater to a magnitude of needs and come with a large variety of features for you to choose from, including Bluetooth, demister, shaving cabinetry, dimmable lighting, adjustable colour temperature, magnifier and infrared sensor. With Remer mirrors, you can enhance your bathroom experience with sound. Simply choose the playlist that sets the mood for the day and connect straight from your phone to the Bluetooth mirror. The inbuilt speakers project the sound through the mirror to create a quality audio experience. Selected mirrors have the demister feature. Simply turn the demister on before you hop in the shower to automatically remove condensation. Dimmable technology allows you to adjust the lighting level to your preference to suit the mood and style of the room. You can start your day energised with full brightness, then wind down in the evening with a more subdued ambience. With the ability to change the light colour from warm to cool, you can mimic the lighting of any occasion that you are attending, which is perfect for applying makeup. Remer also offers luxurious shaving cabinets, allowing for stylish and practical face-level storage. Our innovative design allows for concealed wire technology, so you can't see any cords. Not only is this aesthetically pleasing, but it creates more storage space. We offer internal mirrors inside the cabinet doors, available in 2 mirror styles for 360-degree views. We're excited to showcase our bespoke products. What makes this range of mirrors spectacular is they are completely customisable, so no matter the colour, shape or size, we can make it for you. Not only this, but you can select the features that can all be personalised depending on your needs, making our mirrors one of a kind and exclusive to you. As part of our customisable bespoke range and selected products, you have the option to pick your frame and shape. We have a variety of colours available in a range of shapes. We take packaging seriously here at Remer, which is why our employees take the utmost care in packaging each mirror into specialised boxes to ensure they arrive safely to you. Our team of experts are always ready to help you make the right choice. For further information, get in touch or visit one of our selection centres.